I definitely am way more comfortable on a horse. It's just something I love. I love animals, and I'm happy I actually have the time now to start this again.
She's no joke. I think she's got potential.
I feel like her butt gives her extra cushioning.
It's a little bit sexual, isn't it? She's basically banging that seat. I don't know how comfortable I feel watching this. No.
She's riding a horse.
But would you ride a man any different? It looks like she's involved.
There's no way she's gonna want to come back here.
Are you kidding?
I don't think so.
So you don't think she's back in the saddle?
I know my sister.
Even though this is fun for Chloe to relive her childhood, I'm sure she's not going to be into it for that long. Chloe is definitely fancy schmancy now. Getting all dirty does not sound like her. This will be like a one-time thing.
I believe she's going to be a full-blown horseback rider again.
I believe that you're wrong.
I believe that I'm right.
Okay,
You want to make a wager or a gentleman's bet? We could either bet money or bet on something else.
like sexual favors.
Really?